Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is spiral traversing. So it's a unique problem. If you are not able to solve this question, that's totally fine. So I will tell you the approach. So we have to return the spiral traversal. What is a spiral traversal? First we will go this manner, then this, then upwards. So that's how we have to tell this spiral traversal and return in a list. So let's build the approach. For this question, we have to take four variables. First one is a top variable which denotes the first row. So it's a top variable. Variable name is top and its initial value is 0, which denotes this row. First we have to traverse this manner, then this manner. So we have to take another variable for this. So I will say right. So before that, it is a n cross m matrix. In the question, it is given n cross n, but the matrix can be n cross m. So it is 5 cross 4, and right in this case is m minus 1, which is 3, which denotes third column. First we will traverse in this manner, then this manner, then we will traverse in this manner. So we have to take another variable for this. So I will say this is bottom, and its value is, it is a bottom row, and its value is n minus 1, which is 4. So it is n minus 1 and it is m minus 1. After traversing in this manner, we have to go up. So we have to take another variable for this. In total we have 4 variables. So this we will call left, which denotes our left column. This is our first column. We have to first go upwards. So we will write 0. This is our first. That's it. So first we have to go left to right. So I will say on the topmost row, it denotes to the top row. So first we have to go top, a top row, and we have to travel left to right, left to right. So we have a loop for this. This is our row stays same, and we are changing our column. So I am writing this. We have j, which will traverse from left to right. So it is left to right. You got it? So this is our j, and our j is traversing, and we have our a matrix. Our row is topmost row. Initially it is topmost row, and j, we are changing our j. So it will traverse from left to right. Left is 0, right is 3, and our row number is 0. So it will first give me 0 0, then 0 1, 0 2, then 0 3. So we are traversed in this row. So we are no longer required this row, because as you can see we can traverse in this manner. So we are no longer require topmost row. So we will add top plus plus. So we will increment our topmost row. So now our top is no longer 0. Let me erase this also. So our top is pointing to this. We have traversed in this. Next we are required to go down. So it is rightmost column, rightmost column. It is rightmost column, and we have to go from top to bottom. From top to bottom we have to go. So we can write it like this. This is a for loop from top to bottom. So we are changing our I. We are changing our row number. So this is our I. So this is our for loop, and in this we have variable I. So we are changing our row number. This is I, and our column number stays same. Our column number is right. Next we will traverse in this manner. So first it will give me our row number is now 1. So it will give me one column 1 3. So this is 1 3. Then it will give me 2 3. Then 3 3. Then 4 3. We have to traverse till bottom. So it will give me this at the end. Now we no longer require this also. We traversed in this row. We traverse in this. So for next we no longer require right column, so I will decrement my right column. Now right column is pointing to this. I will decrement my right column. So now right is pointing to this. So we have traversed this. Next we have to travel from right to left. Next we will travel in bottom column, in bottom row, sorry, in bottommost row, and we have to go from right to left. So our this is our third iteration, and in this our row number stays same, and we have to change our j. So our row is bottommost row, so this is our variable bottom, and our column is changing. This is a for loop, and we have j variable. So bottommost column is 4, and we have to travel from right to left. Right is this, so it will give me this index. Then the right stays same. Next we are iterating, our j is moving. So this next we have this. So it will give me three values. First we have iterated in this manner, then this manner, then this manner. Next, we no longer require bottommost row. We have traveled our bottommost row, so you have to decrement your bottommost row. Now our bottommost row will point to this. Let me illustrate this. So we have traveled in this manner, then this manner. Next we have to go from bottom to up. Before that, we also need to decrement our bottom variable, bottom minus minus. Next we have to go up direction, we have to go up. So for this we have to go left. So this is left column, we have to travel in the left column, and for this we have to go from bottom to top. Bottom to top, we have to go from bottom to top, and this is our row number. So our row number is changing, so bottom to top. Our column stays same. This is our I is changing. So this is our I, and our column number is left column. So first we have a row bottom, so it will give me this. Next we will reach to this index. Next we will reach to this index, because we are traversing from bottom to top. This is our topmost variable. So that's it. And after that we have traveled in this manner also, so we no longer require this column. So just increment your left plus plus. So just increment your left. So now left is pointing to this column, and we have traveled in this manner. So we have these four iterations, 1 2 3 and 4, because we are moving in these four directions. and upon that we have a while loop, which means this spiral traversal can be inside this matrix and inside this matrix we don't know, but we know we have four directions, we have to travel in four directions. So we will place these four loops inside a while loop, and while loop condition will be while loop, this is our while loop, and while loop condition will be while left is smaller than equal to right. So our left is something here and right is something here. So left must be smaller than or equal to right. So we have to travel. Next, this is our top variable, this is our bottom variable. So top must be smaller than equal to right, smaller than equal to bottom, and top is smaller than equal to bottom. So we have to take four variables and we have to travel in four directions. So we have a while loop. Next we will again iterate. So again top row, this is our top row, and we have to travel from left to right. So left is pointing to this and right is pointing to this. So we have traveled in this manner. Next top plus plus, so we will increment our top variable. Next we will increment our top variable. So top is pointing to this. Our next for loop, it says we have to go from top to bottom. So this is our top, this is our bottom. So we will travel in this manner, and we have traversed our right direction. So decrement your right. So our right pointing to this. Next it says we have to travel from right to left. So right to left, right to left. So this is one variable. So we will traverse in this manner, and we have traveled our bottommost row. So decrement your bottommost row. So our bottommost row will point to this. Next is it says our last for loop. It says from travel from bottom to top. So bottom, this is our bottom, and this is our top. So bottom to top we have to travel in this manner, and we have traversed our left. So it's time to increment your left. So we have incremented our left. So again we have traveled in four directions. Next it says left must be smaller than equal to right. So just check left exceeds your right. So we have traveled in all the four directions, and while doing this traversal, we will add our indexes into a list and at the end return our list. So let's code this. We have our answer list and we are returning our answer list. We have n and m and top left. We have variables, so it will point to topmost row and left means leftmost column. Next we have right. Right means rightmost column. Bottom means bottommost row. So we have this condition, and inside this first we have to travel topmost row from left to right. So we are traversing our left to right and our topmost row. Row stays same. So row is topmost row, and we have to increment, update our column. Next we don't need topmost row, so we will increment. Next we have to iterate from rightmost column, and we have to go from top to bottom. Rightmost row, our column is rightmost, it is stays same, and we have to update our column, we have to update our row. So our row is I, column is right. Next we go from, before that we don't need rightmost column, so we will decrement our right variable. Next we have bottommost row, and we have to go right to left. So our row stays same and our column updates. So our row is bottommost row. Next we have, before that we no longer require bottommost row, so we will decrement our bottom. We have to go from top, we have left column and we have to go bottom to top. So this is our row number which is changing and our column stays same. This is, so that's it, but we have to make sure that this condition fulfills, as we are updating our top, right, bottom, and we are also utilizing here. So as you can see, we updated our topmost row, and here we are utilizing our topmost row. And you can also see right right we have decremented, and we are traversing in this manner. So right in this, so we have to make sure that we are at a valid index. So we have a check here on the topmost side, but we also need in every place before the for loop. So if top is greater than bottom or left is greater than right, so we have a or condition in between. If any of this condition exist, then we will just break out of the for loop. And I missed left plus plus because we don't need left column. And I was talking about we also need to make sure that we are at a valid index. So for this, just up, just make sure that we are at a valid index. If top is greater or left is greater, then we are not at a valid index. So just break out of this while loop. So we have to place this every on every position before the for loop. So this and this, just submit this code, it will work fine. And if you are watching till now, a click on the subscribe button is highly appreciated. Thank you all for watching this video.